It is not Ackerman's job to fix the ills of that. There's a phrase, a very popular phrase, doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results, often attributed to Albert Einstein. But the reality is, it's very true here. When Jake White departed, by mutual consent, they said, after a review and reports of internal conflict in the players and the assistant coaches, then Ackerman took over as a head coach. And everybody expected him to just wave a magic wand and fix everything. However, most of the assistant coaches were retained. The playing roster and the team leadership who were so against Jake White, they're still there. So that the culture, and I understand what you say, Jake created that culture, but they created their own culture by rebelling against Jake and getting rid of him. But that culture is still there. So Ackerman now has got to deal with a culture which is going to take a long time to change. And sometimes you need to change players as well, or assistant coaches and stuff. And I had a chance, I reached out to Willem Strauss, the president of the Blue Bulls Rugby Union, to ask him, what is going on, and I was quite critical of the Bulls, and for that very reason, because I feel that they blame Jake White, moved him out, and they bring Ackerman in, but they still sit with the same problems, the same issues that blighted Jake's term, the latter part of Jake's term. So Willem Strauss didn't want to talk to us, but he sent out a written response, which I'm going to read, because it makes sense. It's their view, and they're entitled to their view, and they're entitled to the response, because I am critical of them. So I'm going to read to our viewers exactly what Willem Strauss said to me. For the first time since and he's talking about Ackerman, he joined us, our coach has access to the bulk of the Bulls squad. Although some of our Springboks now have their compulsory rest periods. So they have most of the Springboks back, but some Springboks are still having rest periods, which means they still don't have a full squad. Until we have a global season with the Rugby Champs and the Six Nations running parallel, the coaches of Africa's URC teams that produce a high number of Springboks will be at a disadvantage. It shouldn't be like that. It's especially difficult for a new coach like Akkers. Now, I agree with Willem Strauss. There is a flip side to every coin, but I still think they need to take some blame for saddling Ackerman with the bulk of Jake White's coaching panel or backroom staff.